Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. Error code 0x800f0247 occurs when users encounter a failed update, typically due to corruption in system files or the registry. This error may arise when an update is unsuitable for the system or when Windows is unable to install the update due to a faulty registry or damaged system files. Not being able to install Windows Update can be frustrating, but not to worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will talk about troubleshooting solutions to fix this error code for that smooth and successful Windows Update experience. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution is to do a scan disk. It is possible that Windows Update error occurs because of a corrupt system files on the computer's hard drive. To resolve this, simply do a disk scan. To do this, open File Explorer and then click this, PC. Now right-click Local Disk C and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. Now at Local Disk C Properties window, click Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click on Check tab. If there are errors found on your drive, select Repair Drive and wait for repair process to complete. Now update Windows again and then check if error code is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Second solution, run Windows Update Troubleshooter, utilizing Windows' built-in tool to scan and detect computer for problems and suggest fixes if there are any problems found. Here's how to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows will now search for problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Check to see if Windows Update error code still occurs. If it is, move on to the next solution. Third solution, run SFC scan. Another tool on Windows is the SFC or System File Checker scan. It scans your computer for corrupt system files that may be the cause for error code to appear, preventing installation of Windows Update. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check to see if Windows Update error code still occurs. Fourth solution, run DISM scan. DISM, or Deployment Imaging Servicing and Management, is a tool that allows users to restore computer's health back to normal. To do this, type command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command DISM.exe online cleanup image. Restore health and press Enter. Wait for DISM scan to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check to see if Windows Update error code still occurs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.